Hey, Robert Christiansen with Palace Pens. This is our side hustle. It's not my day job, it's my side hustle. We invented these great pens. Go and get a set at palacepens.com. They're fantastic. It shows that you're serious when you show up to any kind of environment with a client and you pull out your pens and you're good to go. Okay, we're gonna be talking about basic lettering, and it's always in caps. This is the rule I've always found. It just makes it easier. You're not having to go between uppercase and lowercase. And when it's uppercase and lowercase, it's a little bit harder for people to follow because they may or may not understand how you write something in lowercase versus uppercase. Very important. So I just stay in uppercase. Number two is that you can start discovering where your problems are as you start practicing the alphabet. So with me, what I've found is that I have very much a difficult with my J's and my K's, and sometimes my M's look like W's. So I want to go back and start practicing my M's versus my W's, okay? And start getting better and better at them. The trick here is that you don't have to worry about it being art. This is important. So if I come back here and I say, okay, I'm gonna start learning how to do J's better, here's what I want you to do. Start just doing J's slowly. And then I got K's that I need to work on. Notice how I'm keeping my arm at right hand as I'm working my way across here. Getting a little better. Okay, so my point is this, is that as I was writing this out first, notice how my letters are starting to shrink out that way. It's because I rushed. I was moving this way and I wasn't moving with it. And so as I was rushing, my lettering became jammed up, and I really should be more mindful that as I'm over here on this side of the board, I gotta scoot over. Okay, so these were my two letters that I had difficulties with, and I've been getting a little better here. So what I want you to do is go through all your letters, write them out, and then look for the ones that have challenges, and those are the ones you wanna practice. All right, go get your Palace pens right here. These are Palace pens. The kit, you know what to do, palacepens.com. Thanks, bye.